Hey, I noticed that you and Mom did something very fun. You made up a list of things that you would like to do during what?
Summer.
Yeah, and you came up with some pretty interesting things, huh? I really enjoy summer. And I'm excited for you during summer. Do you have favorite things that you enjoy about summer?
Going on vacation.
Going on vacations, huh? A lot of families do that in the summer. And we're going to as well.
We always do. We even always
Hey, don't do that, okay? That could scratch the table.
And we always go to different states.
Well, let's think about things that we could do outside of our vacation that would still be fun. Some activities for summer. I'm going to put a number 1 right here. What would be some things that you'd like to do with me?
Visit another state. And
Yeah,
what state are you thinking?
Well, I noticed you kind of included that with Mom, which is what we should
I
do.
want to think that with you too.
You want to do that with me as well?
Oh, yeah, we're all going.
Tell me what state you'd like to go to, and I'd write that state specifically.
I want you to choose.
You do? Well, I know that we were thinking about doing a train trip, right? Train ride?
Well, that's what we are going to do.
Yeah, well, we'll put that one down. A train ride, and we're going to ride on what?
Amtrak.
Amtrak? If I asked you to put your foot down because that's distracting, is that okay? It's okay. Okay, look, train ride, Amtrak. You write the state next to it. We had contemplated going from Houston to New Orleans, so what state is that? You know, that's a tricky state to spell, I think.
Is that how you spell it?
You spelled it correctly.
Completely correctly.
You're fancy. You're a good speller, too. All right, what's another thing you think? What would be something we could do that would be in the house? Something exciting or creative or fun?
Buy some new stuff for the house.
Well, shopping, I suppose, but I'd like to create something.
Maybe we can paint some murals in the back. Maybe we can buy some big old posts. Maybe we can buy some big old wood and we can like paint a bunch of different stuff all over it
I like that idea.
when we have company.
You know, because I know how to do murals. That'd be a great thing to show you. So you're thinking some painting activities, including murals? I like that. That is a fantastic option. Let's imagine we had the paints out, but we wanted to do another creative thing with paints. Remember one thing that I wanted to create for you? You're wearing one of them. Show the camera. Show them your t-shirt. We created that t-shirt for you.
You did.
Yeah, because I know that you like that video game. And that's silk screen. So maybe we could screen print another t-shirt, you think?
Yeah, we were gonna go Calvin and Hobbes
Who? What was it?
one. Calvin and Hobbes.
Yeah, I like that. Let's say create a Calvin and Hobbes t-shirt. Now, we still have some tennis shoes that need some painting too, don't we? What would you want to do for those? Please don't do that.
Mine are 2 pens.
Well, I have one in case you want to write some ideas as well. But if you're using it as a drum, it's a little distracting. So, what was I just talking about? Was it creating something? I remember the idea of creating something like your portal shoes, but we were going to do them different.
I was thinking of doing some train ones.
Train ideas? Or did we discuss Snoopy too? I don't remember.
I'd rather a train one.
Train. So we can say paint train tennis shoes. I like
And
that.
what railroad company do you want to do?
Our favorite is. So what are our favorites? I like Union Pacific, BNSF, Amtrak, Kansas City Southern, Norfolk Southern, Ferromex.
Probably all the ones that come. No, probably all the ones that are in Texas.
How about our favorite one where our friend Mr. Grable works? BNSF.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put BNSF there. That'd be awesome. Okay, now that's some good creative ideas. What would be some outdoor activities that you'd like to do? I know a very important one.
What?
It involves something safe to help save your life, or maybe you could save someone else's life if you knew how to do it.
I don't want to say it.
Why would you want to say it?
I don't want to have to do it. I was just thinking of.
Well, what is
Like
it that we're
something
talking
in a-
about?
Well, I was just thinking of doing something in the backyard, like maybe
Yeah,
build some stuff.
you'd maybe like to build something? Okay. Out of wood, like do a woodworking project?
Mhm. Like with hammers and all that stuff.
I do like using those tools. You know what we could do? We could improve your outdoor fort, your play set out there.
Yeah, we can cut a hole in the. We can cut a hole in the bottom of the clubhouse, and we can like put a pulley so we can lift things up.
Yeah, a pulley project. I like that. And sealing it, maybe even painting some cool stuff on
Sort
it.
of like a container crane.
That'd be a really neat place to do murals, don't you think? On the inside? Could be.
Nah, on the outside too.
Yeah, but remember how Calvin and Hobbes have their secret club?
Yeah.
What's it called?
GROSS.
It is called GROSS, which stands for what?
Get rid of slimy girls.
Get rid of slimy girls. That's hilarious. Okay, now let's think of something else. That was one outdoor thing, but I do want us to work on.
Swimming.
Mhm.
But I don't want to do that right away.
No, what we'll do is we'll ease into it. Just get you comfortable with the water, let you wear your goggles, teach you how to blow bubbles where it looks like a. That's what I know that. And if you can blow bubbles, it means you know how to hold your breath underwater, and that's important. And then all you do from there is learn how to kick and float. Kick and float and hold your breath.
I just don't think I'm really good at floating on top of the water without floating
Well,
items.
you know, when I first learned to swim, I wasn't real good at it either, but I practiced. Just like ice skating, you gotta practice. Just like math, you have to practice. Spelling. When you were first learning how to spell cat and dog, I couldn't have you spell Louisiana. You'd went, what? But practice helps. Now, let's think of number 7. So we got swimming practice and water fun. That's good. What's another one you think? What's some fun stuff? I know something you're doing tomorrow
Yeah,
with your scouts. What is that?
the outing.
The outings, your scout outings? You're going to have 3 of them in the summer. The first
Well,
one.
I kind of want to do that. On the woodworking project, we don't have to do the pulley thing right away, but I do want to fiddle with some wood and hammer it and stuff.
Me too. I think that'd be fantastic.
Yeah,
So your scout outing involves what?
usually kids use hammers.
That's true, they do. And you have your own hammer.
I know.
You got little saws. So we'll get your tool bench set up. Okay, so we have your scout outings. That includes what activity tomorrow?
Boating.
Yeah. Number 8, what would be another thing you'd like to do? I was looking at what you got with Mom. Okay. Let's think about it. Mom says, take funny picture, invite friends to play, walking the dogs and visiting pet stores, play Play-Doh, shaving cream and moon sand. Shaving cream, that sounds fun. Buy some sweets, like, hey, we went to Menchie's yesterday. Draw with chalk, go to the pool and visit Kima, visit another state.
And
We've
go
got
to the
some-
beach.
Yeah, and go to the beach. That was another good one. What are some other things you think of? You mentioned one that I didn't see on Mom's list that you actually want to do now. Do you remember what it is?
No, the Children's Museum.
Yeah, visit the Children's Museum. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Maybe we can have lunch there.
Yeah, or nearby.
Or nearby.
Well, they have a little cafeteria in there, don't they? What's number 9, you think? What's another thing over in the museum area that you like to do?
Or maybe we can see if there's a McDonald's nearby or something.
Good. Are there other things that you would like to visit that's near that region?
It doesn't have to be near that region. But like maybe I can go to a friend's house.
Yeah. So maybe visit a friend's house? What friend would you have in mind? I heard you mention one the other day.
Zach?
Yeah, Zachary. Maybe even having something like, what'd you call it? A sleepover?
Or maybe we can. I was thinking of like just inviting him over to mess with the stuffed animals and throw them off the top bunk.
You do like doing that. Okay, we have to come up with one more. Now, let me see. We've discussed indoor activities,
Well,
outdoor activities.
maybe we can have maybe we can decorate some of the stuff inside.
Decorate some of the stuff inside, like what? Decorate what
Maybe
stuff?
the walls.
Decorate the walls? Well, I think murals is kind of what that would be doing. I want you to come up with an idea that involves using some math.
No, it doesn't have to be an educational topic.
In this case, in case we do, I want number 10 to involve some math, unless you can give me examples of the other things where you would use math and the other things.
I don't have to. I can't have.
No. A fun thing, not like sitting down with your star homework. A fun thing with math.
Nah, I
'Cause
can't
guess what?
come up with a single thing that involves math. That's
Ooh, I
fine.
can. This one does. Scout outings.
Oh.
That one can. This one definitely can. That one probably not so much, although sometimes when I'm painting, I count the parts of paint that I use. Like, if I want to mix a special colors.
Or maybe paint the doors. We can paint the doors.
Maybe. But I was looking to see if you knew how math is used in that. Or if you could come up with...
Well, I don't have to put how, because we're just pointing things.
I know.
We don't have to put how.
Oh, you're right. But what would be something that we could plan that you think math could be involved?
I say painting the doors. Painting involves math.
Well, we've already chosen painting things. I agree. Painting does involve some math.
I give up. Just put painting doors.
No. Let's be creative.
Now put it.
That's not what we're going to do. Please sit
Don't
up.
post this.
Please sit up. Don't be upset. I'm just wondering if you can think of something.
Why is it so bright?
It's okay. That part, hey, come here. Stand here. Look, I can shut it off right here. Okay? My thing is I want you to think of something. Come on, have a seat.